How to search for a filter on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to search for a filter on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just swipe right from the home screen and you'll be prompted to the camera section. Now here, once you're inside this section, just make sure that at the bottom you have selected the story option. And here with that, you can just swipe across the filters to the end and there you'll see the explore browse effect option. So there you can just tap on that particular browse icon and after that a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on the search icon shown in the top left side of that particular pop-up menu. Now here on the next page, you can just tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for the effects that you want to try, and here it will show you all the effects that it have, and here you can just search for it and select it and use it for your story, video or anything. And that's it. That's how you can search for a filter on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.